Hey guys, me, and Tim are here. Today we're gonna find some more Goofs and Thomas and Friends. Today's episode is Thomas and the Trucks. Here we go, let's find the Goofs. Pay close attention to Edward and Henry in this scene. Notice that they're on the opposite sides of this shed.
Thomas the tank engine wouldn't stop being a nuisance. Night after night he kept the other engines awake. I'm tired of pushing coaches. I want to see the world.
Now Edward and Henry are next to each other. He's also happy.
Next morning, Edward and Thomas asked their drivers, and when they said yes, Thomas ran off happily to find trouble.
His eyes are also wonky. Can you see them?
Now, trucks are silly and noisy. They talk a lot and don't attend to what they are doing. And I'm sorry to say
there are no buffers at the end of the siding. I'm gonna do this again. I know you didn't see that there was no buffers at the end of the siding, but I'm gonna show you. Okay. Let's see. There's also no buffers at the end of the siding. Can you see them? Okay. Okay, so you've seen that there's no buffers at the end of the siding. Let's continue on.
Edward knew all about trucks. He warned Thomas to be careful, but Thomas was too excited to listen.
Those trucks are up to no good.
The shunter fastened the coupling, and when the signal dropped, Thomas was ready. The guard blew his whistle.
Look at this guy. Look at the conductor, guys. He doesn't have a whistle. All he has is that green flag. I'm sorry, Mr. Conductor, but you ain't fooling no one today. You aren't. You're not fooling anyone today. Yeah, you aren't. You're not fooling anyone. See. And you know, that guy didn't have a whistle. And you know, consider yourself a goof. Yep.
Peep, peep, answered Thomas and started
just like the guard didn't have a whistle.
But the trucks weren't ready. Oh, they screamed, "Wait, Thomas, wait!" But Thomas wouldn't wait. Come on, he puffed. All right, don't fuss. All right, don't fuss, grumbled the trucks.
See, Thomas is pulling those trucks without any problem. But the trucks are already giving him trouble.
Thomas began going faster and faster. Whee! He whistled as he rushed through Henry's tunnel.
And also, the tracks beneath Thomas jump in the air. And I'm gonna show you. Okay, guys? Okay. See, watch the track, guys. See? They jump in the air. They were jumping. These tracks were just jumping. And here's...
Hurry!
And see, there's also someone's hand in this corner of the screen. Can you see that? See the hand? Someone's hand appeared in the frame. And you know. See, watch. And there's also the tracks that came to an end. The tracks came to an end.
He was feeling very proud of himself.
And the trucks are also missing.
But the trucks grew crosser and crosser.
And when he puffed up to Gordon's Hill, someone said look out for the train, but not anymore, because the narrator was Ringo Starr. Yep, someone said look out for the train, but not anymore.
Steady now, steady, warned the driver as they reached the top.
And
he began to put on the brakes. We're stopping, called Thomas.
No,
answered the trucks, bumping
what?
into each other.
They bump into each other.
Before the driver could stop
And
them,
the trucks then The trucks pushed Thomas down the hill. See, look at him.
Poor Thomas tried hard
Look
to
at him.
stop them from making him go too fast. Stop pushing, he hissed. But the trucks took no notice.
But still, the trucks are still missing. See?
They giggled in their silly way.
But you better watch for Thomas's buffers when he reached to a sighting.
He rattled straight through and swerved into the goods yard. Thomas shut his eyes.
What?
I must stop.
See? They're black. And his eyes are also very wonky.
Just in front of the buffers. There watching him was the fat controller. What are you doing here, Thomas? He asked.
Oh, he's in big trouble.
I brought Edward's trucks, Thomas answered. Why did you come so fast? I didn't mean to. I was pushed, said Thomas. You've got a lot
His
to
eyes
learn
was
about
still
trucks,
wonky.
little Thomas. After pushing them about here for a few weeks, you'll know almost as much about them as Edward. Then you'll be a really useful engine.
Okay. And he stops right before the end of the episode. Okay? Those were all the goofs that I found in Thomas and the Trucks. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you subscribe and like and leave a comment down below if you see the goofs that I didn't point out. Okay? I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.